PMS Radio. We're
Part
back.
of my swag.
You're listening to arismaradio.com/PMS Radio. Hit us up. 212-283-3437. Hit our MySpace. You know what to do. Right now we're about to say goodbye to Corey
and square off.
We're so sad about that.
This interview was actually fun.
Yeah, thank you. We enjoyed ourselves too.
We love you
definitely.
guys. You're gonna have to make another trip over here.
For sure. Most definitely.
Okay, let everybody know before you go and before we get into this caller. Let everybody know how they can reach you. Oh, there's no caller. Oops. Okay, so let everybody know how they can reach you, MySpace, whatever, emails, if you want to give that out. I don't think y'all should because y'all have a whole bunch of weirdos.
My MySpace is basically /Corey Guns. That's it, MySpace.com.
174. C Guns 174. Isn't
Not even. It's Corey Guns.
It is?
I got a new one. Some new management.
I didn't know that. And I still have your old page.
Oh, new management. This one is just about to get this is a new one. That's the address I'm giving everybody.
Our MySpace is myspace.com/squareoff. SQUAREOFF.
Spelled right.
We on Twitter.
These are punctual guys.
Yeah.
Punctual.
Yep.
Okay, we're on Twitter too.
Oh, what?
Yes. So we need to, stalk each other.
Yeah.
Whatever they call it. Follow. That is so stalkerish, that thing.
Yeah.
All right, so thanks to Corey and Squirrel for coming through.
Thank you for coming, you guys.
We have Bang Bang Boogie or whoever is not locked up in the building. Boogie. Let's get into one more song. Are we gonna get into Bang Bang Boogie song or
the first one or the second one?
Okay, this is a song from Bang Bang Boogie. We about to get into them. Corey and all of y'all.
Thank you for coming, you guys.
Yeah, Square Gang, Militia, So Militant.
Yeah, shout out PMS Radio.
The mixtape,
Youngest in charge.
All right,
Son of a gun. Yeah.